Hey guys, we're going to be covering sum of two squares with complex numbers in this session. So let's get started. Now with sum of two squares, guys, if you've forgotten, here's just a reminder. If we were ever to factorize a squared minus b squared, we knew that a squared minus b squared, when factorized, could be written as a plus b times a minus b. Now this is stuff you would have done in a couple of years back, but just as a quick reminder, here's a couple of examples just to trigger your memory again. So if we have x squared minus 25, we know that, and we have another example, I'm just going to chuck it up, 9x squared minus 49. So x squared minus 25, we know that that could be written as x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5 when we factorize it. And with the second example, if we have 9x squared minus 49, when we factorize it, we know it can be written as 3x plus 7 times 3x minus 7. Now, what happens with complex numbers is you're no longer going to be working with a squared minus b squared. You'd probably have something that looks like this. So if you were ever to factorize a squared, plus b squared, what are we going to do here? So one of the things you can do is that you can actually rewrite this a squared plus b squared, because you can write it as a squared minus negative 1 times b squared, because we know that minus and multiplied by negative 1 is going to equal positive 1. Now from this point onwards, what you can do is a squared minus negative 1, you could write it as I squared, and b squared, leave it as it is. So what you notice is that now you got everything under squares, which means you can factorize this to a minus I times b multiplied by a plus I times b. Alright, so let's have a look at a couple of examples. I'm going to use the same ones as we did on the left hand side, but except I'm going to change it as both of them to be pluses. So we got x squared plus 25 and 9x squared plus 49. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to do the first one, and I think you should be able to get it from that point onwards, but let's see, here we go. So x squared plus 25. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write it as x squared minus negative 1 times 25. And then from this point onwards, I could say it's x squared minus I squared times 25. Now they're all a bunch of products in there. Oh, sorry, not products. They're all squares in there. Which means if I factorize this, I'm going to get x minus 5i multiplied by x plus 5i. So remember guys, this is only if we're doing a squared plus b squared. Alright, having a look at question B, 9x squared plus 49. The only thing that's different in this case is the positive 49 will change to minus 49i squared. Alright, if it changes to minus 49i squared, then it pretty much looks like what we did in the left hand side. So it's going to look like 3x minus 7, but the only thing is you got to remember you got to have the I. And of course on the other side you're going to get 3x plus 7i. Alright, and that's basically sum of two squares with complex numbers, guys. Alright, thanks for watching.